let's see. We are at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, to explore how their researchers are using artificial intelligence, BIM, digital technology to shape up the future of engineering and construction. Welcome to my blog. Let's join me in the journey to explore BIM. This is the main building of IISc Bangalore, where legacy meets innovation and innovation creates new magic. So we explore the new things from this building. Researchers at Indian Institute of Science are developing advanced simulation model to study transportation and ground movement during mega events like the Mahakumbh in Nashik. Using artificial intelligence, traffic simulation, data analytics, these models can predict how millions of people will move through city, including road, bridges, and public transport system. The goal is optimize the traffic flow, reduce congestion, and improve safety during large religious gatherings. Such smart transportation planning helps authorities manage crowd control, emergency response, and infrastructure utilization more efficiently. This research shows how digital technology simulation models can support real-world urban planning for large-scale events like Mahakumbh. And along with that, the researchers present the thesis on different topics like dynamic pricing for Ola and Uber, where that what are the attributes used for that particular mode of transport. Bengaluru city are metro cities, right? So we know that traffic congestion, traffic problems in the city is very likely growing, and that's why the pollution of the city also increases. So AQI also affecting the health of the citizens. So that issue we need to resolve through that particular research. So I have that particular insights of that particular study from the researcher point of view.
Yes. Good morning, my name is Lavish Singh and I'm an MTech first year student from the Department of Computation and Data Science, and I belong to the MIG group, which stands for Medical Imaging Group, and we are working on the problem statement of using various kinds of medical imaging techniques like CT scans, MRI scans, etc., and integrating artificial intelligence so that we can detect various diseases and the risks of having those diseases using these medical images and the data that we have without human intervention. So this could serve basically as an assistant to a doctor to help them better assess what disease a person may have, and then we are doing it in a more robust way such that it works across hospitals, across domains, and in a better way. Then we are also doing work on deepfake detection. So basically, maybe for insurance scams, some people generate fake images using AI for CT scans, and they may scam companies for getting insurance money, right? So we are also working on that, how to detect which of the images, medical images, are actually fake, specifically for the domain of medical images like MRI scans, etc. And we are also doing zero-shot training. Zero-shot learning means if we have never seen a data from a particular domain or a particular hospital or a person, then still our models should work quite well, right, in those domains also. So how to do that? So these are the things that we are working on as well.
Okay, so I need that particularly any kind of construction activity regarding, I know your domain is MIG, but I need to think about the BIM, building information models, and AI for the digital construction. So can you have that particular any insights or any project you are doing right now in IISc Bangalore?
IISc is a digital construction in the sense of actual construction.
Actual construction, and with smart tools with respect to monitoring and supervising that particular construction activity and the stages of the construction, or to prevent the any accidents at construction sites and everything. So that kind of projects you have in that particular.
So one of the things that is coming to mind is like we can use, because basically it is called computer vision. So
Yes.
computer vision is the generalized
Yeah.
task of having vision from computers.
Yes.
So maybe you can install smart cameras in the construction sites, and whenever workers are working, we'll detect all the workers and their positions. And whenever a worker is at risk, it may automatically send some signals to the manager at site or something. For example, if someone is working on the edge of a building and they may fall, so that will be automatically detected before the falling itself. We may say that this person is in a vulnerable position when he may fall. So it can be directly message to the manager, and they may take some action, and we can monitor all the things going on. Actually, this is already happening when right, there are conveyor belts and
Right.
So there are cameras with artificial intelligence which detect how many boxes are going in, how many boxes are coming out. Similarly, for people also, for security measures also, you can use computer vision techniques.
Okay.
Sagana
Okay.
This is Akash.
Thank you.
can
Okay.
result in the change of property of almost any substance. We are
Okay.
over here. We are trying to show it using a rubber band.
Okay.
As you can see, this is elastic over here. We have liquid nitrogen over here because liquid nitrogen is very cold, as you guys know. Nitrogen, yeah. It's minus 196 degrees Celsius. So when we drop that liquid nitrogen over here, which has elastic rubbers, this elasticity is lost. It becomes brittle.
Okay.
As it do like this, it will break. Like literally, just do it like this, it will break. Have you ever tried putting an eraser in a freezer or something?
It becomes brittle.
Yeah, it becomes very hard, right?
Okay.
It just loses its elasticity. So we are just going to try and show that over here. We are waiting for one of the instructors to come so that he can oversee the experiment, as liquid nitrogen is very harmful.
Okay.
It can be very dangerous.
Today's visit to the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore was truly inspiring. We explored how researchers are working on advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, BIM, digital construction to solve real-world engineering challenges. From simulation model for transportation planning to innovation in structural engineering, it's exciting to see how research is shaping the future of infrastructure and smart cities. For engineers and researchers, places like IISc remind us that learning and innovation never stop. If you enjoyed this vlog and want to explore more about AI, BIM and digital construction engineering, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the